Republicans in the Senate voted in favor of starting a debate on health care by the slimmest margin possible.
On this vote, the yeas are 50 and the nays are 50. The Senate being equally divided, the Vice President votes in the affirmative.
This marks a win for the GOP.
I'm extremely happy that we got this vote. They say, if you look historically, this is the tough vote to get.
However, just hours after getting that vote, the Senate rejected one version of the Republican plan to repeal and replace Obamacare, which means GOP leaders now must find something their conference will accept.
We're not out here to spike the football. This is a long way, but we'll finish at the end of the week, hopefully.
But the process and the politics have put off Democrats.
There's something fundamentally wrong with a political system that cannot have this debate in public.
There can be fixes to the Affordable Care Act. We want to do it. We're willing to do it. But we have a Republican Senate right now that has said that they're just going to forge ahead, just bulldoze ahead.
By the way, Mr. President, if you think it is the Democrats who are going to be held responsible for the failure of the Affordable Care Act, you got another guest coming.
On Wednesday, senators are scheduled to vote on a repeal-only proposal, which has been criticized by both parties. I'm John Lawrence reporting.